In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to either disable or enable grayscale mode on your Windows 10 computer. So if your screen looks like this and it looks like just different shades of gray, this tutorial will be for you, or perhaps this is how you want your computer to be displayed. We're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in color filter. Best match should say turn color filters on or off. You want to left click on that. Where it says color filters, apply color filters to see things on the screen more clearly. Where it says apply color filter, you want to left click on this oval to toggle it to the off position to turn it off. And if you want to turn it on, you can turn it in the on position. Underneath choose a filter, you can see you have different options here as well. So you can do obviously different colors. Just so you guys could play around with it a bit. But most people are probably going to be a-okay with just a grayscale. And if you want to just turn it off, like I said, just toggle to the off position. You don't need to restart your computer or anything, so it's pretty straightforward, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.